Guys, I got a Pythagorean Theorem challenge problem for you. Just got emailed to me. I wanted to reward the person who sent it to me by getting a video out very promptly and for following directions. This is exactly what I want. I want you guys cutting and pasting problems into your emails. And I'll just do videos on some of them. Some of them I will use in our Zoom office hours that I'm going to put together later in the week. But this one, I'm just going to go ahead and do a video real quick. This is actually unbelievably simple. Once I present it to you, I think you'll understand. It says an airplane takes off. So an airplane takes off. Here's the takeoff point right here. Okay. Airplane takes off, right? Um, levels off, right? That's the horizontal 3 up here. So it takes off, then it levels off and lands according to the diagram below. So this is it landing, right? Okay, so where did it land? It lands here. Takeoff point, landing point. If you understand the diagram, they get easy. All measurements listed are in kilometers. Now it asks down here, what is the horizontal, I'm going to read through my writing here. What is the horizontal distance from the plane starting location to its finishing position? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So what do we know? We know that the horizontal distance is the takeoff point to the landing point. So I need from here all the way to here. Well, so what do I need to solve for? I need to solve for x right here. And I need to solve for y over here. Okay. So you can see here, this is just Pythagorean theorem for each one of these. I'm going to set up the equations and let's see. So here we go. For this triangle right here, we're going to set a Pythagorean theorem up. So x squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared. If I solve this, I'm going to get x squared plus 9 equals 25 minus 9 from both sides. So I'm going to get x squared equals 16. Square root both sides. X is going to equal 4. You got the rest of this problem from here. I'll go ahead and do it, but you should really be able to stop the video right now and finish it on your own, and then come back and check your answer using the video. I'm going to keep teaching it, but that's what I'd recommend you to do so you learn it. All right, so the rest of it. Now I have to find y. Okay, so y, well, I just have another Pythagorean theorem here. So 3 squared, let me use a different color here. Let's use light blue, okay? So y squared plus 3 squared, y squared plus 3 squared equals the hypotenuse squared, 7 squared. So again, y squared plus 9 equals 49. Getting a little bit better with this technology here. Minus 9. It doesn't have to look perfect, does it, guys? Y squared equals 40. Take the square root of both sides. Boom. So y equals root 40. Now, my answer on Khan Academy says round your answer to the nearest tenth of a kilometer. Well, guess what? We got to find our answer first, don't we? Y equals the square root of 40. Y equals the square root of 40. What's the square root of 40? Let's find a calculator. Hey, looky here. I got one on my down here pinned. Where are you at? My computer is slow. So where are you? There you are. Where'd it go? One more time. So here's my extension on my Microsoft calculator. Square root of 40. Square root of 40. What? So on this one, you got to punch in 40 and then push square root. 6.3. 6.3. It says round to the nearest tenth, so 6.3. Let's go back to OneNote. So y is approximately 6.3. Okay. So let's scroll back up. So this is 6.3. Now I'm going to add these three totals together because the horizontal distance from takeoff point to landing point is just 4 plus 3 plus 6.3. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 6.3. This is 13.3. So type that in. That should be your answer. Done.